How's it going, guys? We're back with another video. This was how to make money with PayPal in 2021 and beyond. So, the most simplest ways to make money online right now. These are ways that you can hook up your PayPal account. If you don't already have one, go to www.paypal.com. You can be in any country. These are services that we're going to discuss today where they'll ask you for your PayPal address and they'll directly deposit money right in your PayPal account. I want financial freedom. All these ways and methods and strategies that we share in this channel is to provide ways for you to work at home like me, like some people you know, whether you want to stay at home with your family or you want to travel. You're going to see lots of people on YouTube in the next coming years find ways to make money online, and one of the best ways to make money online is to follow this channel and provide multiple ways like affiliate marketing, e-commerce, drop shipping. Ways we're going to discuss today, you don't even need a website. No, you don't need a website. You don't need to pay a hosting company. You don't need to write blogs. And all these ways, you don't have to keep it complicated. Get your PayPal account, hook them up to whatever service that we're going to discuss today, and they're going to directly deposit after you do the service for them. This also works with any language in any country. Okay, the first site we're going to look up is Fiverr.com. That is with 2 R's. When you get here, you're going to see lots of different services. You can be a seller on here, whether that means that you have a gig that you want to offer, which of course they are asking for your PayPal account and pay you with PayPal. When business owners are going to come and talk to you, they can ask for lots of services like graphics design, digital marketing, writing, blog writing, video animation, music and audio if you're good into that. However, the strategy we're going to talk about today is not necessarily selling on here, but getting people to perform services for you. So let's look this up. Virtual assistant. So this is the first real service that you can offer here, and as you see here, people are charging as low as $6.50 to $19. Some are offering up in the 20s and 30s. These are obviously the skill level that these people have or what they're offering. However, this is obviously a simple way to get a hold of people. If you put your picture up here and do a quick little graphics here outlining the services that you want to offer, business owners are going to come to you and contact you and say, well, can you do this? And it doesn't matter what you necessarily put down as your services, they're probably going to ask you for above and beyond. And some of them will even be willing to train you if you're available at a certain time. So a lot of these people that are going to go, they want to know the delivery time and your budget. You can haggle with them and they're going to contact multiple people. So if you are new, then you have a very good chance in striking a deal with all these business owners. Alright guys, this is a little trick that I learned halfway through my affiliate marketing career. So a lot of people think that you can sell products, physical products on Amazon, which you can't. And I've worked for people that sell physical products on Amazon. They order products like pillows or towels or toys from China, like on Alibaba or other Chinese warehouses, and they'll ship it over. They'll put it to an Amazon FBA warehouse, and then you set up your little store on Amazon. And it's very difficult to get into the whatever niche that you're going to sell physically. It's difficult there. You're going to have to spend some ad money. However, a lot of people don't know about Amazon Associates. This is an affiliate thing, so you can sell any product on Amazon, except you're just going to sell the affiliate link. So if you get the traffic there, you can earn up to here to say up to 10% commission, and it's like 10%, 2% depending on what product that you're going to sell. Now, if you set this up, it's going to be in your name. It's going to be tied to your PayPal account. So whatever traffic you send to your link is going to have your cookie in it, and it's going to send money directly to your PayPal account. If you go over to Fiverr here, people already know this, and so they already have traffic, and so they're going to set you up with their traffic to sell your affiliate link, and you're going to pay them a small fee, as you see here, starting at $13. I test around, and there's lots of places like this, not only on Fiverr, but this is definitely a way, guys, if you want to try to get your affiliate link and just send some traffic right away using Fiverr for as low as $13, maybe less. You can bargain with these guys. Look at this guy, $6.50. Just test it out. This is just the beginning. Keep on following this channel. I have way more tips to show you guys. Alright, talk to you soon.